Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best dual-motor e-bikes that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Sizweddy dual-motor kit, an innovative e-bike conversion kit designed for DIY enthusiasts who want to build their own dual-motor fat tire e-bike. This kit delivers dual 500-watt motors with 3 operational modes: front drive, rear drive, and dual drive for maximum versatility. The sine wave controller provides smooth power delivery, while the 20x4-inch fat tires ensure excellent traction on snow, sand, and rugged terrain. With a maximum speed of 26 miles per hour, this kit is an ideal entry point for riders looking to customize their e-bike experience. In terms of design and build quality, the Sizweddy kit features a robust double-wall wheel construction and includes a 7-speed freewheel for efficient pedaling. It's compatible with dropouts of 135mm in the front and 170mm in the rear, making it suitable for most fat tire bike frames. However, it's worth noting that this kit does not include the battery, which must be purchased separately and should have a BMS current of at least 40A. The Sizweddy kit is perfect for those who enjoy hands-on projects and want to tailor their e-bike to specific needs. However, it's not as plug-and-play as a complete e-bike, and the lack of included battery might be a downside for some. Overall, this kit is a great option for DIYers who want to experiment with dual-motor setups on a budget. At number 4, we have the generic electric bike, a compact and lightweight folding e-bike that's perfect for urban commuters and those with limited storage space. Equipped with a 500W peak brushless motor, this e-bike delivers 23 mph top speed and handles 30-degree inclines with ease. The removable 48-volt, 12-amp-hour lithium battery offers up to 38 miles in pedal assist mode, and its IP55 waterproof design ensures reliability during rainy commutes. The generic e-bike stands out for its 10-second folding mechanism, making it incredibly portable and easy to store in tight spaces. The 14-inch aluminum frame accommodates riders between 5 and 6 feet tall and supports up to 260 pounds. Safety features include dual disc brakes, a bright LED headlight, and an anti-theft alarm system. While its smaller tire size limits off-road capabilities, it excels in urban environments and is a great choice for daily commutes or quick errands. This e-bike offers excellent value for its price point, but its performance is modest compared to the higher-ranked models on this list. Ideal for city dwellers and beginners, the generic electric bike is a convenient, budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on essential features. Coming in at number 3 is the ebike 26-inch electric bike, a versatile fat tire e-bike designed for both on-road and off-road adventures. Powered by a 1500-watt peak brushless motor, this bike reaches speeds up to 34 miles per hour and easily tackles 30 degrees inclines. Its 48-volt, 18-amp-hour removable lithium-ion battery delivers an impressive range of up to 90 miles in pedal assist mode, making it perfect for long-distance rides or daily commutes. The ebike e-bike features a durable high-carbon steel frame, 26x4-inch all-terrain fat tires, and a reinforced rear rack with a 330 pounds payload capacity. The full-color LCD display and Bluetooth-enabled app provide real-time ride data, GPS tracking, and anti-theft features. With 5 customizable riding modes and Shimano 7-speed gearing, this bike adapts to various terrains and rider preferences. Safety is a priority with its dual hydraulic disc brakes, LED headlights, and brake-activated taillights. This e-bike offers a fantastic balance of performance, durability, and tech-savvy features. While it's slightly heavier than some competitors, its rugged design and advanced features make it ideal for riders seeking a reliable all-rounder for commuting, errands, or weekend adventures. At number 2, we have the Hotsy electric motorcycle, a powerhouse built for serious off-road enthusiasts and thrill seekers. With its 3000W brushless dual motor, 5000W peak, this bike reaches speeds of up to 40 mph and conquers 45-degree slopes with ease. The dual removable 52V 50HA batteries provide an astonishing range of up to 250 miles, making it a true long-distance expert for adventurous riders. The Hotzi e-bike features advanced suspension systems, including upside-down fork shock absorbers and rear oil shocks, ensuring a smooth ride on rugged terrain. Its hydraulic dual-disc brakes offer superior stopping power, while the puncture-resistant 20 by 4-inch fat tires provide excellent grip. The aluminum frame combines durability with a lightweight design, and the ergonomic dual seat adds comfort for extended journeys. Additional features like GPS tracking, app-controlled settings, and a turning taillight enhance usability and safety. This e-bike is perfect for riders who demand top-tier performance and range. However, its premium features come with a higher weight and price point. If you're looking for an off-road beast that delivers unmatched power and endurance, the Hotzi electric motorcycle is an excellent choice. And finally, at number 1, we have the ebike Peak 5,000-watt electric bike, the ultimate dual-motor e-bike for riders who demand peak performance across all terrains. Featuring dual 2,500-watt brushless motors, 5,000-watt total output, this bike delivers a staggering 220 Newton-meters of torque and reaches speeds of up to 45 miles per hour. Whether you're tackling steep 40-degree inclines or cruising city streets, the ebike guarantees explosive acceleration and unmatched power. A 52V 32 amp-hour UL-certified lithium-ion battery offers a range of up to 100 miles in pedal assist mode, making it ideal for long-distance trips. With 24 by 4-inch fat tires, hydraulic disc brakes, and a lockable suspension fork, this bike excels in stability, safety, and comfort. Its aluminum frame is built for durability, while integrated cargo solutions make it perfect for commuting or outdoor adventures. The 6 riding modes and Shimano 7-speed gears ensure adaptability across various terrains and rider preferences. Packed with premium features like an LCD display, USB phone holder, and integrated headlight horn, the ebike Peak is a true all-rounder. Though it comes at a higher price, its exceptional power, range, and versatility justify the investment. If you're looking for the best dual-motor e-bike on the market, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.